So this is the third part of me solving the GATE chemical process technology questions. So this is GATE 2011 question. Hydrotreating is used for, and they have given 4 options. So the first option says removal of water from crude oil, treatment of crude oil with water, improving octane number of gasoline, and last is removing of sulfur and nitrogen from petroleum fraction. So the correct answer is D. Hydrotreating is used for removing of sulfur and nitrogen from petroleum fractions. All these are wrong. So now let's move on to the next question. So this next question asks, zeolite ZSM5 is added to commercial FCC catalyst for promoting SO2 oxidation, promoting CO oxidation, improving tolerance to metal content in feed, and last option given is enhancing octane number. So the correct answer to this question is this D option, that is enhancing octane number. The zeolite ZSM5 catalyst is added to commercial FCC catalyst for enhancing the octane number. So this question says, in the manufacturing of caustic soda from brine, which one of the following statements is true? So they have given 4 options. So the correct option, I will just read the correct options because I don't want to provide any false information. So A is false, B is also false. So no need to read them because false information will pile up in your brain. So the correct one is D. So only focus on the correct one, that is the membrane cell can produce concentrated NaOH solution and can tolerate calcium and magnesium ions in the feed brine. So the answer of this question, in the manufacturing of caustic soda from brine, which of the following statement is true? This is true. The membrane cell can produce concentrated NaOH solution and can tolerate calcium and magnesium ions in the feed brine. So this is all about this question. So next is, so the next question asked, for making superphosphate by acidulation of phosphate rock, use of nitric acid is desirable because they have given 4 options. Nitric acid is less expensive than sulfuric acid. This is not correct. The availability of nitrogen enhances the value of superphosphate as a fertilizer. This is also wrong. The process produces non-hygroscopic superphosphate. This is wrong. The process produces superphosphate having higher phosphorus content than the sulfuric acid. This is correct. So remember, the nitric acid is used. Nitric acid is used for acidulation of phosphate rock to make superphosphate because the process produces superphosphate having higher phosphorus content than the sulfuric acid. So this is all about this problem. So next is, so this question says, match the processes in group 1 with the products in group 2. So 2 groups are given and we are asked to match. So we know that Claus process is for sulfur. So P will be 3. So let's check which option says P3. So this is not correct. B is also not correct. So it's either C or D. So next is, we know Linde process is for oxygen. So Q will be 2. So this is also incorrect. Option D is correct. This is correct. That is P3 Q2. So R will be 1. That is Lurgi process is for syngas. So this question asks, in petroleum refining operations, the process used for converting paraffins and naphthalene to aromatics is, it is catalytic reforming. These are all false. So the process of converting paraffins into converting paraffins and naphthalenes to aromatics is catalytic reforming. So this is the 27th question. This was asked in GATE 2009. The active component of catalyst used in steam reforming of methane to produce synthesis gases. The answer is nickel. Nickel is the active component which is used in steam reforming of methane to produce synthesis gas. So this question asks, which of the following is not a major constituent of crude oil? They have given the options. So the answer is C, that is naphthalene. So this is not a constituent of crude oil because naphthalene is converted into aromatic compounds and so it is not a constituent of crude oil. So next what we have is, so this question asks, which of the following is desirable in gasoline but undesirable in kerosene? The answer is aromatics. Aromatics is desirable in gasoline because aromatics increases the octane number. Let me write this. Aromatics increases the octane number Hence, it is desirable in gasoline. But what makes it undesirable for kerosene? Well, if there is aromatics present, then it will cause smoke. So, due to smoke, it is undesirable. It is undesirable in kerosene. So these are two important points. So the 30th question asks, in the sulfite process for paper manufacturing, coking liquor is. So the first option is magnesium bisulfite and sulfur dioxide. So this is the correct one. So this is the correct option. Magnesium bisulfite and sulfur dioxide in an acid medium. In an acid medium. Acid medium. This is for extra knowledge. So these options are incorrect. No need to study this. Remember, in the sulfite process for paper manufacturing, coking liquor is magnesium bisulfite and sulfur dioxide in an acid medium. So this next question asks, the OXO reaction is used for converting. So they have given four options again. Alcohol to aldehyde, this is incorrect. Paraffins to olefins, this is also incorrect. Olefins to aldehyde, this is correct. This is also incorrect. So OXO reaction is used for converting olefins to aldehyde. So this next question asks, in a fluid catalytic cracking unit, the nature of the reactions occurring in the reactor and the regenerator is. So no need to get confused by all the options. Always remember that the catalytic cracking is endothermic and the catalyst regeneration is exothermic. So the reactor is endothermic, the regenerator is exothermic. This option C is the correct one. All these are false. So no need to study all these. So again I am repeating, in the fluid catalytic cracking, the catalytic cracking is endothermic and the catalyst regeneration is exothermic. So this next question asks, which of the following is not employed in the commercial production of linear polyvinyl chloride? So one thing is clear, polyvinyl chloride is addition polymerization, because vinyl chloride looks somewhat like this. We have a hydrogen here, a hydrogen here, a hydrogen here and a chlorine here. So addition of this takes place and we get the addition polymerization, which is vinyl chloride. So addition polymerization is okay, suspension polymerization is also okay, and emulsion polymerization is also okay. These are the three ways which are related to polyvinyl chloride production. But condensation polymerization, this is totally irrelevant to formation of polyvinyl chloride. Hence this will be the correct choice over here. They have asked, which one of the following is not employed in the commercial production of linear polyvinyl chloride? Not employed. So the answer is condensation polymerization. This is no way related to formation of polyvinyl chloride. So this next question asks, which of the following is a detergent? The options given are benzene hexachloride, cellulose nitrate, polyvinyl chloride and alkyl benzene sulfonate. So all these are wrong. The correct option is alkyl benzene sulfonate. This is also known as ABS. ABS detergent. ABS detergent. So the next question asks, the chief raw material for the commercial production of methanol is. The answer is synthesis gas. All these are incorrect. So this is all about this video. We will continue solving more questions in the next one. Thank you.